Here's 7 more camping hacks. First up, consider using dryer sheets for pest control. Now you may be wondering, what could the humble dryer sheet possibly have to do with keeping pests at bay? This might seem like an unusual tip, but it's a trick that has proven to be surprisingly effective. Dryer sheets, those everyday household items that we typically associate with laundry, come packed with a surprising use that extends far beyond the laundry room. They are versatile and have a myriad of applications you might not have considered. One such usage is pest control. Yes, you heard that right. Those small sheets that give your clothes a fresh scent also help with controlling those unwanted pests that seem to creep up just when you're trying to enjoy a peaceful outdoor expedition. You see, certain insects such as mosquitoes and ants are repelled by the fragrances that are infused into these sheets. The scent that we find refreshing and clean, they find repugnant. This makes dryer sheets an easy and inexpensive repellent option. And the best part? It requires minimal effort. All you need to do is take a few of these sheets and strategically place them in locations where you're likely to encounter these pests. Perhaps slide them into your tent or your sleeping bag. Even stash a few in your backpack. When you're on a camping trip, for example, this method can prove to be a lifesaver. Simply place a few sheets into your tent, sleeping bag, or backpack, and let the fresh scent deter those pesky critters. It's a simple yet effective solution to a problem that outdoor enthusiasts often face. And all it requires is a humble dryer sheet. Next, let's dive deeper into the fascinating process of creating a campfire starter, an essential element for all your camping adventures. To begin with, you will need some simple everyday items: cotton balls and petroleum jelly. Both of these items are easily accessible and probably already present in your home. If they aren't, no need to worry. They are readily available in any convenience or grocery store near you. The cotton balls, soft and fluffy, are highly flammable materials due to their loosely packed cellulose fibers. They are perfect for catching sparks and fires. On the other hand, petroleum jelly, invented in 1872 by Robert Chasebro, is a semi-solid mixture of hydrocarbons having a melting point usually within a few degrees of human body temperature, which is perfect for this use. Now the process begins. Gently take the cotton balls and generously apply the petroleum jelly onto each one of them. It's a bit messy, I agree, but it's also part of the fun. Soak the cotton balls thoroughly in the jelly, ensuring that the jelly is well absorbed and that no part of the cotton ball remains uncoated. Once this is done, you need to store them carefully. Find yourself an airtight container or a simple plastic bag. The key here is to prevent any moisture from reaching the cotton balls to keep them dry and ready for use. When the time comes to start a fire, be it for a warm campfire night or an emergency situation, simply tear a piece of the cotton ball off and ignite it with a match or lighter. The petroleum jelly will sustain the flame, giving you ample time to add your larger firewood and get your fire going. Watch as the flames dance and your fire roars to life. Your fire will be roaring in no time. The third hack is to always pack a multi-tool. This isn't just any regular tool. It's a comprehensive package containing a multitude of handy gadgets, each with their own unique functions. It's an all-in-one device that offers an array of utilities that could come in handy at the most unexpected moments during your journey. Imagine having a compact device that houses tools, such as a pair of pliers. These aren't your regular pliers. They are tough, durable, and designed to grip, twist, and turn with utmost precision. They can help you in numerous ways, from fixing a loose bolt to pulling out a stubborn nail. Next, consider the knife. The blade is sharp and perfect for an assortment of tests. You could use it to cut through rope, open packages, or even prepare food in the wild. It's not just a tool, it's your go-to helper in survival situations. Do you need a screwdriver? Fret not. The multi-tool packs in both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. Whether you're dealing with a loose screw, a gear, or assembling something, you're covered. And when it comes to popping open a cold beverage after a long day of adventure, the multi-tool sports a sturdy bottle opener. It's not just about survival. The multi-tool knows how to keep things a little bit fun too. With this in mind, let's not forget that these tools are compact and easy to carry, making them the perfect companion for any journey. Whether you need to cut a rope or tighten a gear, a multi-tool has got you covered. Fancy a quick shower while camping. The outdoors might seem challenging when it comes to maintaining cleanliness, but we have a simple solution for you. We've discovered an innovative and straightforward method. It's called a makeshift shower. It's a portable shower designed to make your camping experience more enjoyable. What you need is just a solar shower bag, or if you want to be more eco-friendly, you could repurpose an old water jug. Start by filling it up with warm water. It's easy to get warm water. Just leave your bag or jug in the sun for a while. Then find a suitable place to hang it up. It could be a tree branch or a pole. Remember, the height at which you hang it matters. You would want it ideally to be at your head level. This shower setup is quite easy and not time-consuming, allowing you to maximize your fun time in the great outdoors. Now comes the best part, enjoying a revitalizing shower under the open sky. The gentle trickle of warm water can be incredibly soothing, washing away the fatigue from your adventurous day. Plus, it's a great way to keep yourself clean and fresh, no matter how long you plan to camp. Staying clean during a camping trip has never been easier. Moving on to the fifth hack, never underestimate the power of duct tape. This humble yet resilient tool has gained a legendary status in the world of hacks, not just because it's handy, but due to its incredible strength and versatility. It's been a silent hero in many homes around the world, unquestionably relied on to fix problems both big and small. Its sticky nature, coupled with impressive durability, makes it a lifesaver in countless situations. It can quickly fix torn gear, be it a backpack, a tent, or even a shoe. It has the uncanny ability to mend things together, making them workable again, often saving the day. It's equally adept at patching holes in a boat, a tent, or a mattress, you name it. It's also flexible enough to be twisted or folded and used as a temporary bandage in emergency situations like cuts or abrasions. And the best part, it's easy to carry. For easy access, take a few feet of this wonder tool, wrap it around a daily used object like your water bottle or hiking pole, and voila, you're prepared. Wrap a few feet of it around your water bottle or hiking pole for easy access. Our sixth hack is for the foodies out there. Have you ever thought of enhancing your camping experience by adding a bit of gourmet flair to your meals? The trick lies in making a campfire grill. Now, we aren't talking about any sophisticated equipment or complex structures here. All it takes is a sturdy metal grate, or even a wire rack that you already have in your kitchen. Imagine this. You're in the middle of the wilderness. The open flame from your campfire flickers, casting a warm, mesmerizing light on your surroundings. The crisp air smells of pine trees and damp earth, and the only sounds you hear are the crackling of the fire and the whispers of the wind. You take out your metal grate or wire rack, position it securely over the open flame, and voila! You've just created your very own campfire grill. This is not just a cooking tool. It's a doorway to a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Roast your favorite vegetables to perfection, sizzle some juicy steaks, or even bake fresh bread. The essence of the open flame imparts a unique, smoky flavor to your food that simply can't be replicated in a conventional kitchen. And the best part, you're doing all this while communing with nature, under the open skies, with just the stars for company. This simple hack allows you to cook delicious meals over the open flame, adding a touch of gourmet to your camping experience. Last, but certainly not least, always pack a survival whistle. This tool is vital for emergencies. Its piercing sound can help with signaling assistance or deterring wildlife. It's essential to select a whistle that can be heard from a substantial distance. Now, we've discussed 7 remarkable hacks which can elevate camping adventure. They contribute to a more relaxing, streamlined, and delightful experience. These tricks ensure your campsite is well arranged and you can immerse fully into nature's splendor without stressing over minor inconveniences. So, for your upcoming camping trip, remember these tips. Embrace them and experience the tremendous difference they make. Please like and subscribe. Happy camping!